What we're doing is to follow the minor leads that we found. For example, where are the bodies of the two persons who are found much earlier, and the clothing of the third person, the late Mr. Mapozi. So we are looking at those leads, the direction and the locations where they were found, and the possibility that the other bodies could be along the shores, basically in the same general areas. We also take cognizance of the fact that it is 29 days, and therefore the bodies probably most likely will not be in good condition, especially having noticed